Welcome to this channel, traders. I want to show you something very interesting. This is a new challenge account. Okay, as you can see, the initial deposit was 100k, and these are trades that I closed scalping. Okay, just did this today. I don't have any other trades in my history, even if I say last month. These are the running trades. Okay, I left them just to record this video, but it seems like some of the trades are now reversing. I've been scalping, so I'm just going to close all this and then I will explain to you the strategy step by step. What I want to show you is how to find a lot of good entries with very little effort. Let's come to my screen. Today I want to show you something on the data. So on the data, if you go to the market trend, you have correlation down there. Remember the last time I showed you something on the speculative sentiment. Okay, hope you remember that. Let me just remind those who are new in this channel. What you actually do right here, you look for trending pairs. Okay, because usually you find good entries on a trending pair. And to be able to see that, if a pair has a great difference between the green part and the red part, it means that that pair is trending very well. So right here, see that gold is not trending at all. Okay, because you have 51% on one side and 48% on the other side. It's almost the same, which means this pair is ranging. Here you have GBP JPY, you have 26% on one side and 73% on the other side. So GBP JPY has a very beautiful trend if you can check it together with Euro JPY. Let's just check GBP JPY so that I can show you what I'm talking about. This is Euro USD and this is GBP JPY. Okay, you see that finding an entry here is just too obvious. You buy on the trend line. Okay, around that region, it is where you take your profits. I'm just making averages. Unless price is going to close below this key level. So it's very easy to find a trending pair using the speculative sentiment. What I want to show you today, traders, under the market trend is the correlation. On the correlation, you have this chart. And if you don't know about the term correlation, let's use this GBP JPY for the example. If you were to have a pair with a trend that looks like this, okay, a trend that looks like this, see that the line is not really on top of the chart, but it is moving almost the same way as the chart for GBP JPY. And then this pair, if it was a pair, I would say it has a positive correlation, maybe 97%. Okay, 97% correlation. It means that it is moving almost the same way as GBP JPY. How does this help you? If you find a good buy trade on GBP JPY right there, then it makes a lot of sense to go to any pair that has 97, 98 or anywhere around 90% positive correlation and buy, because that pair would be moving the same way as this pair. So you don't have to analyze on the other pairs that have a correlation that is around 90%, even from 80%. It makes sense to go and buy on those pairs. And it also makes sense to also sell on a pair that has negative 90% correlation, because it would mean that if GBP JPY is moving upwards, that pair is moving in the opposite direction of GBP JPY. So if you have a very good buy opportunity here, it means you also have a very good sell opportunity right here. And this is where this chart helps us. Okay, so what you do on this chart, you just come here and then you select the pair where you found a very good signal. Okay, in this case you would choose or let's just leave it here at Euro USD. Okay, so if you have a very good buy entry or buy opportunity on Euro USD, then it will make a lot of sense for you to come and also buy GBP USD here, because you have a correlation of 94%. Okay, if you have a good buy entry here, you don't have to analyze GBP USD, you just buy. Okay, let's check another one. 82%. You can also buy Euro JPY. Okay, let's look one where you have a negative correlation here, USD JPY. If you have a buy entry on Euro USD, you don't analyze USD JPY, you just sell. And make sure to focus on the smaller time frames. If you are scalping, just come to the 5 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame. It depends on where you found the signal. If you found the buy entry on the 15 minutes time frame, then you have to come to the 15 minutes time frame and look for pairs that are correlating with your signal, and then you won't have to analyze those pairs. You just place trades and then you have good results with very little effort. So for me, once I have a very good entry, let's say on GBP USD, okay, remember the first thing you do, you come here, you select the pair where you found the signal, okay, which is GBP USD, and then you look for anything that has 90%. You have 91% here, okay, and it's positive, it's not negative, which means if you had a good buy entry, you should also have a good buy entry on AUD USD. As easy as that, as easy as that. And then you find me having a lot of entries with very little effort. Thank you so much for watching. Watch this again and again. It will make your trading life very, very easy. I'll leave the links of FastBull in the description. This site is free. You don't have to pay for anything. You just come here and do your analysis. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a happy trading week.